Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. Let's kick off with football. One game into the new Jamaica Premier League season, Craig Butler and the Jamaica Football Federation, JFF, are seemingly at odds over the registration of players for Vere United FC.
Craig Butler, who signed a 10-year agreement to manage football operations at Vere United FC, is without a number of his players for the start of the new Jamaica Premier League season. The Clarendon team were humbled 4-1 at home on Sunday by Montego Bay United. But following the game, Butler told reporters that over 10 of his players were missing from his matchday squad due to registration issues.
It was a good effort by the players that did play, good heart, but as you can see, we're short in numbers in terms of the players we have available. At least 14 of our players were not allowed to play, and it's very disheartening when you're entering a competition and we're expecting the governing body to support us, and we give them everything that they've required, and our players are still not available to us on the first day.
According to Butler, fans who turned out at Sunday's game were robbed of a proper contest, and the Phoenix Academy boss took a swipe at the JFF, and in particular competition's chair Ian Kemble.
It hurt me a lot because I wanted to give the people of this community really, really good football, and we just didn't have all our pieces. And you know, going forward, you're going to see it if the JFF will allow us to just have our registrations complete. We've done everything that they've asked us to do, and we're waiting Mr. Kemble to just allow us to just register our players.
So as we speak now, you're not sure to have a full squad for match week 2?
Well, that will all depend on Ian Kemble.
TVJ Sports understands that the issue with registration surrounds a number of Phoenix Academy players who are joining Vere United as international transfers, having allegedly terminated their contracts with their previous clubs. It's believed that while the JFF had received the international transfer certificate, the letters provided as proof of contract termination were not on the official letterhead of the clubs from which the players are leaving. According to a TVJ source, a request was made by the JFF for the letters to be redone in order to verify and complete the transfer process. According to FIFA transfer rules, a club intending to conclude a contract with a professional must inform the player's current club in writing before entering into negotiations with him. A professional shall only be free to conclude a contract with another club if his contract with his present club is expired or is due to expire within 6 months. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.